Hey guys, it's Gretchen and welcome back to my channel. Like I say, anytime I make a video in this setting, it is time for, oh my god, this dog. It's time for Ivan's BARKBOX unboxing. If you've never seen any of our BARKBOX unboxings before, Ivan does get the Super Chewer version because he destroys pretty much any toy that comes near his mouth. He's currently prancing about with a cat toy. So this is the April box. I've had it for probably 2 weeks and we just haven't had the time to unbox it yet. So that's what we're gonna do now. Sorry that once again it's very blown out here. I don't bring out all my cameras and all my cameras as if I've got multiples. I don't bring out my big camera and I don't bring out all my light to do this video just because he's prancing about everywhere and I'm terrified that he's gonna like knock into one and knock it over. So I just have my little point and shoot camera on a tripod and a ceiling light. So that's why it looks a little bad. But let's go ahead and unbox this while the heathen is over there getting some water. Now I haven't looked at anything for this month, so I have no idea what the theme is or anything. This paper looks like I've seen it before. All right, so Barkbeard Island. All right, so I'm already can tell that it's gonna be a pirate theme, which is just adorable. So in this month's, this is actually kind of cool. It's got like a little card. It says Barkbeard's treasure, a pirate's tale, IL. Arr, matey, set sail for Barkbeard's treasure, the biggest booty any scallywagger has ever sniffed. With ye toughest toys in tow, plenty choose for the chompin'. You'll be ready to tackle rough seas and jolly adventures. Good luck, sea dogs, and stay off the poop deck. Okay, Ivan, come here. So like always, I usually start with the treats because they're the least fun. We like toys, so we always end with toys. So let's start with some treats. All right, first thing I'm pulling out is a pig ear. Ivan loves these. I think they smell horrific, but I give them to him on special occasions or like if I'm gonna be out longer, like if I'm running errands and I know I'm gonna be out longer. Hi, that's my armpit. Do I not have deodorant on? Oh, this is the heathen. No, you're not getting the pig ear now. That was a thumbnail. All right, next toy, or next treat. We have this, ew. BARKBOX, I don't know where you get these nasty ass things. I know the dogs love them, but ew. So this is a liver chew. It is crunchy, 10 inches. Ew, it's a liver chew. Hey. I don't know why I continue to make these videos. Because he's just a heathen. Ew, this is so gross looking. Look at it, it looks like, I don't even know how to describe it. Ingredients, beef ligament and beef liver. Yum. All right, let's get to the bag treats. So, this one is Yo Ho Ho Paw Rates Bounty. Real beef and bacon. Grain-free, soft and chewy. This is beef and bacon. There's some soft chews. They're not very big, but these are just some nice little chews like, congratulations on using the bathroom. Come back inside now. Types of treat. What do you think? What do you think, weirdo? All right, then we have the Lamb Ho Lamb Dog Treats. These are kind of soft too. Ivan now has his head caught in a cat house. Okay, can you not? The people are here for you, not for me. All right, so these are lamb treats. They're not as soft as the beef and bacon ones, but they're still softer. Number one ingredient, real lamb. Wheat-free, corn-free, soy-free. And that's what they look like. They're like these little, well, it's kind of hard to see it in the packaging, but they're like longer. Those were kind of like a circular treat. These are like long stick type ones. I like those. All right. Now on to the toys. Actually, he's got a little something extra. Barkbeard's bandana. That's really cute. It comes with like a little bandana that you can tie around their neck. Can you not eat everything? Whenever Ivan goes to grooming, they always send him home with a bandana and it's so adorable, but if I leave it on him and forget to take it off, he'll eat it. So this is cute. It'll be cute for pictures. Though he's black and white himself, so I'm not sure how well that'll show up, but that's cute. All right, toy number one, Ayo BARKBOX. I think we've talked before about how stuffed animals don't make it with super chewers. Now, what's different about this one, let me pull out my cheat sheet. It has a solid rubber core. So it's a, do you squeak? No, okay. I thought it squeaked. I was about to be like, whoa. So it does have a solid rubber core. It is very sturdy, but at the same time, I can guarantee that within an hour, perhaps, of him having it, the tail will be gone and possibly the wings will be gone. That's just how he rolls. He has his head back in the cat house, so that's adorable. Only got it out this time. So this will be interesting. Like, and he'll probably eat all the fuzz and it'll just be the rubber core that's left. What do you think? Oh Lord. What do you think? What do you think? Oh good. Alright. Next toy. Oh my God. Think it's mine, Mom. Give it. Fine. There he goes. Alright, and the other toy. This is cute. Now I like this. This is the skull and toss bones. Hard rubber skull in the middle. Some little rope on either side. You can fling it for him. You can tug on it with him. He likes these kinds of toys a lot. I like them too. They're usually very durable. Only problem is, you see how it's hollow? He will for sure tear that up. So we'll see how long this lasts. This isn't as like super chewer as they usually do, but they're very sturdy toys. We'll just see how long these actually last. But that is it for Ivan's April super chewer box. I've gone back and forth before on whether or not I'm going to continue getting them because it is $29 and I'm not sure I can keep affording that, but he does really like the treats and he really does like the toys. The only problem is we don't get through the treats in a month's time before the new box comes in, so we just have a crap ton of treats. And now we have, I mean, he's got an entire bin of toys, so I don't know if we need to keep going. Maybe I can stop for about 6 months and then pick up in 6 months, but he's just so cute when he gets his new stuff that I hate to stop it. It's just really cute. But that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it and seeing my heathen dog, please give this video a big old thumbs up and go on down there, hit that subscribe button wherever it may be because I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye guys.